Hello everyone, this video is in continuation to our chapter cell division, grade 10th ICSE. So we have already discussed the stages of mitosis, but there is a very interesting question also, and there is a very interesting part also, that the cell division in plant and animal cells is kind of the same, but there are a few changes. Plus we'll also discuss cell cycle here. Please share it as much as possible. Help me increase the subscribers. You people are unsubscribing rather than subscribing. Please share it as much as possible. It will be helpful for everyone. So we'll be discussing about two things in the video in detail. First, we'll talk about difference in plant and animal cells when we talk about mitosis, and second, we'll be discussing the cell cycle. I'll be explaining you the cell cycle. Starting up with the difference, first of all, पहली बात ये that what all stages in plant and animal cell are same. मतलब the process is the same. We'll just talk about the differences. Now we all know that the plant cells do not have centrosome. This we have done in grade 9th, the cell organelles. So in that we have studied that the plant cells, they lack centrosome. उनके अंदर centrosome होता ही नहीं है. So when they don't have centrosome, which divides to form centrioles, which give rise to spindle fibers, तो उनका काम कैसे चलता है? So we'll understand this with the help of diagram. An animal cell and a plant cell here. ठीक है? Plant cell has a cell wall, so it has a definite shape. So it is a plant cell, animal cell. Now, in case of animal cell, there was a centrosome which had divided into the centrioles, which gave rise to these spindle fibers on which the chromosomes were placed. यहाँ क्या होएगा लेकिन? Now what happens here? The microtubules form the spindle fibers. They are formed by the microtubules. यहाँ कुछ नहीं होता है. The microtubules present in the cytoplasm, I'll write here. So here centrioles form spindle fibers, and here microtubules form spindle fibers. Second difference, this is the first one. Second difference, there is no cell wall does not divide. There can be no furrow formation. तो division कैसे होती है cells की? It takes place by cell plate formation. So we'll make the diagram again. अच्छा, I'll just directly make the cytoplasmic furrow this. This type of a division takes place when the two daughter cells have to be separated. But in case of plant cells, what will happen? There will be a cell plate which will be formed in the center. And this cell plate will further lead to division of the cell into two. And this cell plate is formed. Cell plate, it is formed by Golgi bodies. Fine, and here we have furrow formation. Furrow formation, very important two differences from the paper point of view. So you must know that in plant cells we have microtubules which form the spindle fibers, plus there is no furrow formation, instead there is cell plate formation, and the cell plate is formed by the Golgi bodies. Now we move to our next topic, or the other topic which I have to explain you here, that is cell cycle. पहले तो ये समझेंगे कि cell cycle होता क्यों है और कब है. Cell cycle, I'll use this space. Cell cycle is the preparing phase. Preparing phase which occurs during interphase. Interphase, I told you, is the resting stage. Now during that resting stage, the cell undergoes certain changes and prepare itself for cell division. So वो जितने भी changes होने वाले हैं during interphase are considered as cell cycle. Only the red arrows show the cell cycle. This is mitosis, this is different. अब आपका जो डायग्राम है बुक में वो इस तरह से डायग्राम है. Fine. So where does it start from? It starts from the G1 stage. It starts from G1 stage, which is also known as growth phase. Growth 1 phase. Growth 1. This is growth 2 and this is synthetic. या फिर synthesis phase भी बोलते हैं इसको. Fine. So G1 phase, RNAs are and proteins are synthesized in this phase. सबसे long phase है, as you can see blue one से marked है यहाँ तक, यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक. This is G1 phase. It's the longest phase. In this phase, maximum number of RNAs and proteins are formed, which are required for the process of cell division in the cell. When the G1 phase completes, the synthetic phase starts. इसके नाम से पता लग रहा है. Synthesis phase, synthetic phase, DNA synthesis take place here. DNA is formed. DNA synthesis मतलब formation of DNA plus duplication of the chromosomes. Generally chromosomes अगर ऐसे जब बन जाते हैं butterfly shape, उसको बोलते हैं duplication of chromosome. So that starts taking place here. Then we have our S phase. Then we have after S phase is the G2 phase. S phase is थोड़ा सा small from the G phase and G2 phase is the smallest. In G2 phase more amount of थोड़ा सा जो बच गया है proteins are formed and that's it. Now after this, after G2, the cell enters mitosis and the stages prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase take place. 2 daughter cells are formed which again enters interphase. So what is interphase? If I may just interphase के अंदर what will happen? G1, S and G2 and then it will enter into the mitotic phase. Fine. So G1 phase होएगा. S phase, that is just it's just a preparing phase. It prepares the cell ताकि वो it can enter in the phase of mitosis. So in our next video we'll continue. We'll talk about meiosis. Only whatever is limited to your course. We will not talk about it in detail. If you want that you want a complete explanation of meiosis, the videos are already there on the channel. It's there in the description. Please go to the playlist which says meiosis and you will find all the videos there for meiosis. So we keep sharing, liking, subscribing. Thank you.